Hey everyone, welcome back to the Curiosity Cave. How about a bright idea? Yeah, I'm talking about electricity, interior lighting. I'm going to show you how to use your curiosity and push forward even when you have problems. I had a LED light out. I've taken out the incandescent bulb, which is expensive to buy and operate, and use these LED retrofits. You simply screw them into the existing socket and they work wonderfully, except for this one didn't. And I knew it was new, and LEDs are supposed to last, 10 years? And so I was frustrated. Maybe you've been frustrated. I get frustrated with electricity because I don't know anything about it, or at least very little. I walked by that not operating light for 3+ months. It was my fear of the unknown, my lack of experience, that prohibited me from moving forward. My curiosity didn't compensate for my lack of experience. Here's what I did. I got a whole new setup, and guess what? It didn't work. It wasn't the bulb at all. In fact, if it does go out, then simply unscrew it to a new light socket, see if it indeed is this. If it's not, well, then you have a different issue. I did too. Then I went to the switch, and here's just an ordinary switch. Looks something like this. Now, before you begin to work with electricity, go to the breaker box in your home, switch off that particular circuit so there's no electricity while you're working. It'll save your life, okay? You don't want any surprises. I figured that I had a bad switch. This is a tester. Simply plug it in to both sides of electricity. It usually lights up, all right? In my case, I tested it just like this, and it flickered. It led me to believe that this was faulty. On a switch, you usually have 2 wires, sometimes 4, 1 or 2 black, 1 or 2 white wires, and they are secured in this particular fashion. You can unsecure them by pushing in a screwdriver and taking that wire out. Sometimes these wires are also around these screws and they're secured that way. After taking the wires out, I had a couple extra switches. I put those in, found out it worked. The switch was bad, the light was working. It was a lesson for me. And the other lesson I learned was simply this. Proverbs chapter 3 and verse 5. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. I was leaning on my own understanding, and I was simply stuck. Let your curiosity move you forward, and when you get stuck, keep moving forward. Trust in the Lord. I hope you're having a great holiday. God bless you. We'll see you again.